Okay, good morning all. Okay, let us solve this problem. 36 stator slots, 4 poles. Coil span is 1 to 8. Okay, first case చూద్దాం. We have to find out pitch factor. 36 slats. So 36 slots, 4 poles. N value is number of slots per pole. 36 slots, 4 poles. So 36 by 4. N value is 9. That means N value 9 means okay, this is so like this. First one and this is 10th one. Conductor. First conductor that is connected to 10th conductor. So its difference 10 minus 1. That should be 9. So this. What is difference 10 minus 1? So it is 9. The first conductor which is connected to again 10th one. So the difference is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, this is, let us take here North Pole. Let us take here South Pole. Okay, this 9 is nothing but a pole pitch. Pole pitch is 9 means, so its difference is 9. అంటే ఒకటి ఫస్ట్ కండక్టర్ అండ్ 10th కండక్టర్. So then full pitch is nothing but 1 to 10. Okay, in the problem it is given coil span is 1 to 8. 1 to 8 means this one is connected to, okay, here second. Second, third, fourth. So like that here 8. 8 means is it is before to 10. 1, 2, so like that 8 before to 10. So now this short pitch angle is 10 minus 8, that is 2. 10 ఎక్కడ నుండి వచ్చింది అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ దిస్ వన్. స్లాట్స్ పర్ పోల్ 9 అయితే means first conductor is connected to 10th conductor. So like this 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. But here coil span is 1 to 8. Coil span 1 to 8 means which is connected to 8th conductor. First one is connected to 8th conductor. So difference 10 minus 8, that is 2. So that is a short pitch angle. So short pitch angle is 2 slots, which is short pitched by number of slots, 2 slots. Okay na? 10 ఎక్కడ నుండి వచ్చిందంటే 9 కంటే ఒకటి ఎక్కువ 10. So 1 to 8 that is given in the problem. Okay, now What is beta? What is beta? Slot angle. What is formula? 180 by n. 180 by n. So n value is 9. N value is 9. So 180 by 9. So 180 by 9. So that is equal to 20 degrees. Okay, na? This is a slot angle 20 degrees. But here angle of short pitch, that is two slots. It is short pitched by 2 slots. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? 10th దానికి కనెక్ట్ చేయకుండా వాడు 8th దానికి కనెక్ట్ చేసాడు. 10th దానికి కనెక్ట్ చేస్తే ఫుల్ పిచ్ వైండింగ్, బట్ వాడు ఏం చేసిండు, 8th కి కనెక్ట్ చేసాడు. సో వన్ స్లాట్ యాంగిల్ ఇస్ 20 degrees. Here it is two slot angles, 2 into 20, that is 40 degrees. డైరెక్ట్ గా చెప్పొచ్చు. లేకపోతే సో 9 స్లాట్స్ కి 180 degrees. 9 స్లాట్స్ కి 180 degrees. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎంత వచ్చింది? 2 స్లాట్స్ కి ఎంత? సో దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్ఫా. 9 slots ki 180 degrees. Full pitch means 180 degrees. So for 2 slots, it is the number of slots. 2. For 2 slots, how much? So 2 by 9 into 180, that is also 40 degrees. Or simply slot angle 20 degrees. For one slot 20 degrees. Okay, for 2 slots directly 40 degrees. So like this also you can calculate. After that you can calculate pitch factor cos alpha by 2. Cos alpha by 2. The next problem, if winding is 5 by 6 of full pitch. Second point, winding is 5 by 6 of full pitch. Means 5 by 6 into 180, 150 degrees. So alpha is 180 minus 150. What is 180? 180 is nothing but for full pitch. Full pitch kante munde undi kabatti, so it is 30 degrees. So in second case, this is the pitch factor cos alpha by 2. Cos alpha by 2. Now next topic, EMF equation. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే సేమ్ మనకి DC మిషన్స్ లో చదువుతాము, ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మర్స్ లో చదువుతాం. సేమ్ అదే EMF ఈక్వేషన్. For alternator, EMF equation. Number of poles. P means number of poles. Pi flux. N rotor speed in revolution per minute. Frequency. Same transformer EMF equation, but small. మనకి ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మర్ లో డెరివేషన్ అడిగింది అనుకోండి, అది ఇది సిమిలర్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఇవి రెండు ఎక్స్ట్రా వస్తాయి, పిచ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్, డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్. Z per phase, that means total 3. If it is 3 phase winding, so just number of conductors only in one phase. Okay na? ఒక phase లో ఉన్న కండక్టర్స్ Z per phase. ఏంటి ఇక్కడ కాన్సెప్ట్? Z per phase is equal to 2 into T phase. ఓకే, ఇది ఏంటంటే చూడండి, దిస్ వన్ this is a conductor, conductor 1. This is another conductor. So this is conductor 1 and this is conductor 2. So total this is called turns, one turn. Sorry, TURN. Okay, this is turn. Okay, one turn means two conductors. Okay, this is one conductor, this is another conductor. So this is a coil. Coil means two conductors. Or one turn means two conductors. So always number of conductors is always equal to 2 times turns. అంటే two conductors ఉంటే one turn. 4 conductors ఉంటే 4 లో off, 2 turns. Off. 6 conductors ఉంటే 6 లో off, 3 turns. So అలా Z number of conductors. So always conductors is 2 times number of turns. So like this. T per phase means number of turns per phase. T means turns. Pitch factor, distribution factor, form factor already we know in electrical circuits. Form factor, RMS value by average value. Its value is 1.11 for sine wave. Okay, na? What is form factor value? 1.11 for sine wave. Same derivation. What is for DC machine? DC generator, same derivation. Okay, what is flux cut by each conductor? Flux cut by each conductor in one revolution. Pi is nothing but flux per one pole. What is pi definition? Flux per one pole. ఒక పోల్ ఫ్లక్స్ పై. టోటల్గా ఆ మిషన్లో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ p number of poles, total flux is nothing but d pi is equal to pi into p. ఏం లేదు, ఒక పోల్ కి ఫ్లక్స్ పై, 2 poles కి 2 pi, 3 poles కి 3 pi. For p number of poles, total flux is p into pi. So flux cut by each conductor in one revolution. One revolution ఏం చేస్తుంది అది? So it covers all poles. In one revolution it covers all poles. So one pole flux is pi. So total flux is pi into p. So మనకి తెలుసు time for one revolution 60 by n. N is revolution per minute. N by 60 is revolution per second. Then n is revolution per minute. N by 60 revolution per second. So time for one revolution, reciprocal of this, that is 60 by n. dt. Now according to Faraday's law, average EMF induced. Average EMF induced per conductor, just for one conductor, d pi by dt. d pi by dt. What is d pi value? Pi p. This one. d pi value is pi p. dt value is 60 by n. n ని పైకి తీసుకెళ్ళండి. సో ఇట్ విల్ బి pi p n by 60. ఇక్కడి వరకు సేమ్ డెరివేషన్ DC జనరేటర్. ఇక్కడి వరకు సేమ్ జనరేటర్. DC జనరేటర్లో కూడా సేమ్ ఇది చేసినలో DC మిషన్స్. ఇక్కడి వరకు చేసినలో pi p n by 60. Because induced EMF, what is according to Faraday's law? What is Faraday's law? induced EMF E is equal to Farade's law. E is equal to d pi by dt. So that is pi p n by 60. Pi p n by 60. Now already we derived frequency f. N is equal to 120 f by p. N is equal to 120 f by p. Derivation already we have derived. So substitute here. ఈ n ప్లేస్ లో 120 f by p సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ హియర్. ఓకేనా? Substitute n value in this equation 1, equation 3. This is equation 3. So substitute n value in equation 3. So pi p, what is n is nothing but 120 f by p. So pp cancel, 61 the 62 the. So you will get 2 f pi. 2 f pi. That is average EMF. Average EMF per just one conductor. So that machine is having Z conductors in series. You know, for one conductor EMF 2f pi. For Z number of conductors it is Z multiply with Z. For one conductor it is 2f pi. For Z number of conductors it is 2f pi into Z. What is Z value just now? Z is nothing but 2 times of tons. Replace Z with 2 times of tons. Z value is can be written in 2 into tons. So 2 2s are, it is 4f pi t phase. 4f pi t phase. 4f pi t phase. 2 2s are 4. Z place lo 2 into t substitute cheyandi. 4f pi t phase. Now what is form factor is equal to what is here? Form factor ff RMS value by so average value. In a form factor RMS value by average value. What is form factor value? 1.11 for sine wave. Okay, na? So if you multiply RMS value is equal to 1.11 into average value. RMS value కావాలంటే 1.11 into average value. So this one 1.11 into what is average value? Just now we calculated. This is average value. This is average value. So RMS value is equal to 1.11 into average value. So average value place lo ఇది substitute చేయండి. You will get this one. Same transformer 4.44 f by t phase. A tons place లో అక్కడ n వస్తుంది transformer t phase. Okay, for pitch factor and distribution factor, so you take that voltage is decreases. This is for full pitch winding 4.44 f by t phase. By considering and pitch and distribution factor, voltage is reduced by small value. So kp kd ఇవి రెండు ఎక్స్ట్రా వస్తే రిమైనింగ్ సేమ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మర్. This is the EMF equation of alternator. Per phase voltage. Per phase voltage. Okay, if you go for star connection, What is in star connection? Line voltage is equal to root 3 times phase voltage. Line voltage is equal to root 3 times phase voltage. If for delta connection, line voltage is equal to phase voltage. For full pitch coil, Kp value 1, Kd value 1. Let's solve this problem. Okay, look at the data. Okay, here an alternator on open circuit generates 360 volts. So E1 given, frequency given 60 Hz, and the field current is 3.6 ampere. Field current. Neglecting saturation, determine open circuit EMF. Open circuit EMF when frequency is 40 Hz, field current 2.4 ampere. అంటే ఇక్కడ వాడు ఏం చెప్తున్నా అంటే ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ మార్చిండు, 60 హెర్ట్జ్ ఉన్న ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీని 40 హెర్ట్జ్ చేసిండు, ఫీల్డ్ కరెంట్ 3.6 ఉన్న దాన్ని 2.4 చేసిండు, తగ్గించిండు. అప్పుడు ఈఎంఎఫ్ ఎంత అన్నాడు. సో సింప్లీ what is EMF equation? So this one. So from this E proportional F into pi. F into pi. Flux is proportional to field current. Flux is proportional to field current. ఈ పై ప్లేస్ లో యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఫీల్డ్ కరెంట్. E proportional F into pi. Frequency into flux. So in place of flux you can write field current also, because flux is directly proportional to field current. So E2 by E1 is equal to F2 by F1 into IF2 by IF. What is IF? Field current. Field current. So you can calculate this one. Now second problem, look at the data. Okay, this is the question. Three phase 10 pole alternator P is equal to 10. 90 slots 90, each containing 12 conductors. Means each slot is having 12 conductors. Total slots are 90. So total conductors means 90 into 12. Okay, now here 90 slots, each slot containing 12 conductors. అంటే ఏంటి, ఒక్కొక్క స్లాట్ లో 12 కండక్టర్స్ ప్లేస్ చేసిండు. టోటల్ 90 స్లాట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో టోటల్ కండక్టర్స్ 90 into 12. Total conductors 90 into 12. 90 into 12. ఇంకా speed is given n is equal to 600 rpm. Flux pi is given 0.1 webers. Calculate line EMF for star and delta connection. Here given. Assuming winding factor to be 0.96. And flux sine wave. Winding factor means that is distribution factor. Kp is equal to, it is assumption. Pitch factor if not given, okay. If pitch factor is not given, you can take 1 and winding factor that is given. Or what is mean by winding factor? Winding factor is nothing but product of pitch factor and distribution factor. Okay, so the product of pitch factor and distribution factor, its value is directly given 0.96. 0.96. So you can take it is winding factor. It is winding factor. కొన్ని problems లో if pitch factor is not given, you can assume 1. Winding factor means it is product of Kp and Kd. You know, winding factor you can take directly Kp and Kd. So that is the given data. Okay, from that you can calculate 90 slots and each slot contains 12 conductors. ఒక్కొక్క స్లాట్ లో 12 కండక్టర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. టోటల్ స్లాట్స్ 90. సో టోటల్ కండక్టర్స్ దట్ ఈస్ 90 into 12, 1080. 12 slots in each 12 conductors in each slot. అంటే ఒక్క స్లాట్ లో 12 కండక్టర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. టోటల్ స్లాట్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 90 ఉన్నాయి. సో 90 into 12 దట్ ఈస్ 1080. ఇది టోటల్ 3 phase కి. టోటల్ 3 phase కి 1080. ఒక ఫేజ్ కి కావాలంటే బై 3 డివైడ్ చేయాలి. ముగ్గురికి పంచాలనుకోండి ఒక ఫేజ్ కి. సో నంబర్ ఆఫ్ కండక్టర్స్ ఫర్ వన్ ఫేజ్ 1080 by 3, that is 360. What is the relation number of turns per phase? So Z phase by 2. Turns is always half of conductors. Turns is always half of the conductors. So turns is equal to 360 by 2, that is 180. Half of the conductors. So now frequency F is equal to Pn by 120. F is equal to Pn by 120. Just substitute all values here. EMF equation 4.44 F by T phase Kp Kd. Kp Kd value it is directly taken 0.96, frequency 50, and tons per phase, that is 180, that is given. So always you will get answer as phase voltage. So for star connection, you should multiply with root 3 line voltage. To find out line voltage, so for star connection, multiply with root 3. Multiply this value with root 3. So formula lo vachedi always phase voltage. You know, always you will get phase voltage from formulas. So multiply with root. For delta connection, what is line voltage is equal to phase voltage. Okay, this is phase voltage. Line voltage also same for delta connection. Okay, look at the data for this problem and to solve it. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే KP KD మనం find out చేయాలి. Here we have to find out pitch factor, distribution factor. The same, everything same. 16 pole. Sir, it is 16 pole. 3 phase 16 pole. Okay, it is wrong. P value 16. 16 poles. Alternate has 144 slots with 4 conductors per slot. So multiply these two, you will get total conductors Z. 144 slots, 4 conductors per slot. Z is nothing but 144 into 4. Total conductors. Next is double layer winding. Flux in the area 50 milliwebers. Flux. Coil span 150 degrees electrical. Find EMF generated. Speed is given. N. Speed is given 375 RPM. Flux is given, it is pi value. Flux is given pi value. Coil span 150 degrees. అంటే ఏంటి alpha value 30. For full pitch winding 180 degrees. 180 degrees full pitch. So 150 degrees దగ్గర కనెక్షన్ ఇచ్చిండు అంటే 180 minus 150. So alpha value is 30 degrees. So like this you can find out poles given. Sorry, it is 16 not 14. Speed is given. Flux given. Flux given. N value. What is N value? N is equal to number of slots per pole. So 144 slots by how many poles? 16 poles. It is 16. Sorry, 16 poles. 144 by 16. Okay, this is 16. Sorry. So 144 by 16. One 144 by 6. Number of slots per pole. N 9. M, what is M? M is equal to N by number of phases, number of slots per pole per phase. 9 by how many phases? 3 phases. 9 by 3, so that is M value. M value. What is beta? Slot angle 180 by N. 180 by what is N value? Number of slots per pole. 144 slots, 16 poles. So it is 9. 9 is N value. What is M value? That is 3. M value, N value by 3. 3 phase. 9 by 3, M value 3. Beta 180 by N. Slot angle 20 degrees. Slot angle 20 degrees. So this coil span that is given in the problem 150 degrees. Coil span is given in the problem. So alpha value 180 minus 150, that is 30 degrees. Coil span 150 degrees given in the problem. So angle of short pitch or short pitch angle alpha value is 30 degrees. What is Kp is equal to formula cos alpha by 2. Print is not print perfect ledu. Kp is equal to cos alpha by 2. What is alpha? This one. So Kp value this one. After that, find out distribution factor. Sin of m beta by 2 by m into sin beta by 2. M value 3, beta value 20 by 2. 60 by 2, 30. Sin 30 by m value 3, sin 20 by 2. Sin 20 by 2 means sin 10 value. Multiply that sin 10 value into with 3. Sin 10 value multiply with 3, you will get this. Ikkada matram 20 by 2, 10 into 3. Sin 30. So you will get this. Okay, same previous problem. 144 slots and each slot containing 4 conductors. 144 slots, each slot containing 4 conductors. So total conductors 144 into 4, 576. You know, these are for 3 phase. Okay. For 3 phase 576. For 1 phase it is 576 by 3. Same previous problem. For 1 phase it is 576 by 3, 192. Number of turns means half of the conductors. 192 by 2, that is equal to 96. The frequency you can calculate Pn by 120. P is given 16, speed is given, frequency. Just to substitute all values here. Kp, Kd, F by T phase. Kp value pitch factor, distribution factor, frequency, number of turns. So you will get that EMF. That is line EMF. Sorry, phase voltage. So generally star connection is used. So for line voltage this one. But ఏం మెన్షన్ చేయకుండా we have to take star connection. Problem లో మెన్షన్ చేయకపోతే స్టార్ కనెక్షన్ తీసుకోవాలి. సో లైక్ దిస్. ఇది కూడా సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లం. సో ఇది కూడా సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లం 10th. ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో వాడు పిచ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఇవ్వలేదు. Pitch factor is not given, you take its value 1. Pitch factor is not given, you take its value 1. Pitch factor. ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఒకటే ఇచ్చిండు. దిస్ ఇస్ అనదర్ ప్రాబ్లం 0.95. సరే డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ వాడు కనుక్కున్నాడు. డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ 0.95. షార్ట్ పిచ్ యాంగిల్ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి మనం కాస్ ఆల్ఫా బై 2 ఆల్ఫా కనుక్కోలేము. సో ఆల్ఫా కనుక్కోలేని సిచ్యువేషన్లో దెన్ యూ టేక్ పిచ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ 1. Same problem. This is also same problem. Only one more topic is there in 5th chapter. Next class we will discuss this one.